Hey guys, today we will be learning a new concept which is Docker networking. So Docker networking means like suppose our container is running. So our container is like you can consider is like a small computer already. It has certain ports and our computer is also running, and because of virtualization our computer is allowing another system or a container to run on it. So suppose we are running a application onto our container and it exposes it is running on a port 3000 as per our code. It won't be accessible to us on our port 3000. So how we do it? We do it using Docker networking. So Docker networking is that Docker exposes, we have to mention Docker what port our application wants to connect with their port. So that is called Docker networking, and we can create network also and other things also. So when we go and put Docker network ls, uh, so Docker network ls, it gives all the network which is there. So we have to go and look for the bridge network, which is automatically created when we basically create a container. So let me do it again. So docker network ls. So it already gives three network, and one is the bridge network, which is the default network for a Docker. And when I inspect the bridge network, we will see our API application. This is the container running in this network, containers for this, and this is the name of the container API which we created. So this is how we found out that on this network this particular container is there. So guys, how we will connect our network to this particular container, to the Docker network? So for that we have to go to our run command, and in the run command we have to mention the port, that this is the host port and this is the source, the container port, that we want to connect our this port with the container port. So I am mapping the 3000 port to the 3000 port of our container, and when I go and run, we see that this is the thing. We are able to ping it successfully. If we don't have it, it won't be able to ping successfully. So this is the basics of Docker network. I hope you understand. Let me reiterate what I have said again. To connect to a Docker port, we have to mention -p command, and this is this thing. Otherwise, our Docker port will not be able to map to our local system. So we'll have to expose our Docker port to our current port or map it to the current port, and we do it using this thing. So this is the one single thing about the whole video. When we create a container into the Docker, it basically create a bridge kind of network, and when we inspect that network, we should be able to see our container and everything inside, detail about our container API into that. So this is the whole thing. So I hope you understand the basic thing, how Docker container, we have to map our port to container port. So thanks a lot guys, thank you very much, thanks for connecting. Please like, share, subscribe this.